Avi-Go is the leading global SaaS platform, connecting charter brokers and operators like never before. Start by creating an account on Avi-Go. The process is simple. Just a few details, and you're in. One click takes you to a secure verification page. Follow these prompts to complete the process for secure transactions. Once verified, you unlock full access to Avi-Go's suite of tools and start your 30-day free trial. Begin with a quick search for an upcoming trip. With AI-powered insights, you can find the ideal aircraft based on smart filters, all in seconds. Managing client requests has never been easier. Track inquiries, customize quotes, and finalize bookings, all within Avi-Go's intuitive platform. Live flight tracking ensures you can monitor departures, arrivals, and in-flight progress for unmatched transparency. Avi-Go's empty legs feature opens doors to new revenue opportunities. By making discounted flights easy to find and book. Get instant support from AviBot, the AI assistant that handles inquiries, assists with bookings, and ensures smooth operations around the clock. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to elevate your private charter business. Register now and start your journey with Avi-Go today.